Hello, my name is Amanda Kazin and this is Sarah Jacobs. We will be presenting our Tech Resource Project on Discovery Education Board Builder. Board Builder is an interactive website where students and teachers create boards for various topics and purposes. It is available to all BCPS teachers and students. Board Builder is a great way for students to collect information as well as for teachers to display their information.
How do I get to Board Builder? You have to go to BCPS1, log in like you normally do, click on the Instructional Tools button, and then click on the Board Builder option. This will open up Board Builder in another window.
On the front page of Board Builder, you will see two main sections, Build a Board and My Boards. Build a Board has multiple templates for you to use. My Boards is where your previously made boards are listed. The front page has a brief tutorial on how to get started with your board if you need assistance. There are sample boards available for teachers and students to see an example of a finished board.
When you begin creating your board, you will enter the title of your board and the description, and then you will choose where to save it so that you can find your board later and others can find your board as well. Then you can change and edit the layout by choosing a text style, what you want the foreground to look like, and what you want the background to look like.
Designing your board on Board Builder is very simple. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see the box for editor tools. The tools you can use while designing your board are changing the text style for your headline or adding items. Some of the items that you can add include another headline, a text box, media, or an attachment.
You can add photos, video, or audio clips to your board by searching Discovery Ed, choosing files saved on your Discovery Ed account, or uploading files from your computer. You can use the sites listed here on the right side to snip YouTube videos so they will play without advertisements.
Discovery Education's search engine has a multitude of resources. You can search for videos, images, articles, songs, and other boards. You can also narrow down your searches based on certain criteria, such as grade level, topic or subject, media type, and language. These resources can be added directly into your board or can be assigned directly to a class.
To add a text box, click Add Items in your editor's tools and then click Text Box. You can then move it to where you want it, change the background to look like sticky notes, index cards, or a Polaroid to name a few, add links to outside sources, resize your text to make it bold, italic, underlined, add bullets or a list, or adjust the location within the text box.
The finishing tools are located towards the top of your screen. Although very self-explanatory, these tools will be frequently used as you make your board. The previewing tool helps to see how the final product would look and if your board needs to be fixed before it's published. Printing your board is a great option for students who need a physical copy or as a resource to place in an interactive notebook.
You'll want to make sure to save your board when you finish creating it. To do this, click the Save button on the upper right corner. It will then prompt you to name your project and write a description, apply keywords to help others search your board, choose a subject area for your board, and a grade level for your board.
Sharing your board is an excellent way to contribute you or your students' hard work. Boards can be shared throughout a school, district, the Discovery Ed community, or not shared at all. You can select the permission level and whether people can edit or view your board. Teachers can share with other teammates and grade level colleagues. Students can share their boards and it can become a resource for other students to use.
To assign your board to your students, click the Assign button in the upper right corner. It will then prompt you to enter an assigned date and a due date. Then you will select a class that you'd like to assign it to. This aligns with the classes in your BCPS1. Then you select the student you'd like to assign it to and hit Assign.
The student process for logging on to Discovery Education Board Builder is the same as for a teacher. Students are to first log on to BCPS1 with their username and password. The next screen brings them to their three portals where they click on Instructional Tools. After Instructional Tools, they will see icons for various websites. They should click on the icon for Discovery Ed Board Builder.
When students go to Discovery Ed, they will be greeted with the welcome banner below. They can then click on the Assignments tab to view anything you have assigned them. Here, they will also see the due date, the status of their assignment, and the type of assignment. Students must hit the Mark as Complete button when they finish to change the status of the assignment.
Students can create a board the same way a teacher does. When a student is finished with their board, they can save it and share with the teacher. A drop-down menu will appear for students to choose the specific teacher to share with. This list aligns with the teachers listed on BCPS 1. Teachers can then go into the Classroom Manager to view all of the boards created by their students.
Under the Professional Development tab, you will find tutorials, training sessions, strategies, and articles to help you navigate Discovery Education. BCPS is also offering professional development on Discovery Education in their digital learning module. See the dates and locations below and sign up.
Teachers can use Board Builder in multiple ways. Some examples are centers, subplan directions, or assignments for students to complete, or a class website. One of the most beneficial uses is for teachers to add the skills learned in class and, most importantly, how they were learned, and then students can access the board online at home to assist them with their homework.
Under the Teacher Center tab, you will find various features to help you use Discovery Education to its full ability, such as the lesson plan library with lesson plans already created, a thematic focus with lesson plans, a STEM connection, and an interactive map.
Students can use Board Builder in many ways in the classroom. At the discretion of the teacher, Board Builder can be used as an alternative to an online journal or notebook. It can also be used for research presentations and guarantees that the student is only putting appropriate content into their project. Students can also use Board Builder as a portfolio of their own work.
And finally, we leave you with a review done by a first grade Baltimore County teacher. In this review, she talks about how Discovery Education is engaging and an appropriate way to present information to students, and how it's easy for them to use and to share boards with other grades, which is a really cool feature.